Okay guys, so the P is brightness. So if you press and hold it, it will dim. And if you press and hold it again, you can turn the brightness up. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing a vanity makeup mirror. Obviously you guys can use this mirror for more than just makeup. So let's go ahead and show you what's inside the box. You know, when a company packages and ships their items like this, you know that they actually care about the quality. So right away we see we got a 10x mirror. Let's see here. More accessories. Make sure you take everything out. Woo! Check this out, guys. This is a nice set. So this is the vanity mirror. It has built-in, you got mode, power, and also P, which we will check this out. So as you guys can see, this is really nice. Now let's go ahead and take a look back here. It does have mounts to put on the wall. Back here looks like the power plug. Let's just look all around, make sure there's nothing we're missing. Alright, so yes, on this side, right here, you have USB port and a Type-C port. They do supply you with a 10x mirror, so this zooms everything in 10 times. So you would place this somewhere that you're gonna, that you want to look up close right at you. Let's go ahead and look inside what else they supply you with. So far, this is really nice. Alright, so they actually supply you with mounting brackets. So that is good. Mounting brackets and the screws needed to mount it. The power supply is right here. So we're going to go ahead. That plugs in right on the side, right down here. And then this plugs into your wall. Let's check the cable length here and see. It looks like they do supply you with enough cable length to mount it pretty far away from an outlet. So you might need an extension cable. It's going to depend on where you're mounting it at, but let's go ahead and plug this in. Okay guys, so the P is brightness. So if you press and hold it, it will dim. And if you press and hold it again, you can turn the brightness up. Mode is your color. So you have 3 different color temperatures. And then you have your on and off switch by tapping right there. So overall guys, the quality, the craftsmanship is actually beautiful in here. All the lights work great. I mean, this is really nice. I'm extremely impressed by this, guys. Like, this is really, really nice. Like, the glass is crisp, clear. The reflection is just perfect. I mean, overall, this is an extremely nice mirror. Wow. And it definitely provides enough light around, as you guys can see, which is crazy. But it's not blinding light, so when you're staring at it, it doesn't blind your eyes. They designed this with pure craftsmanship. That's definitely something I want to point out. Because, and this is not something they told me to say. They didn't tell me to say anything. This is my personal opinion. The craftsmanship is beautiful. Like the metal frame around, it's like a magnetic, or not magnetic, but metallic. You have flakes inside the metal. Like, it's just beautiful. Like, it is beautiful. My wife is going to be so happy with me. Man, this is nice.